Hey guys, so I'm actually vlogging on my new Canon T6i. So let me know down in the comments how the quality is compared to when I use my phone. Sometimes when I'm vlogging, I turn the face camera on instead of using the back, which is stupid, I know, but when I'm vlogging, I like to see myself, and I feel like this, I don't know if I'll be able to completely vlog all the time because it's like, you know, a big DSL camera, and I don't want to take that around unless I'm doing something super amazing where, like my graduation, I'll have that. And so I was going to go into work, get my makeup on and everything. I was going to go into Sephora, but I guess they're slow, so they are they have called me off. So I figured I can still like make some videos. I'm going to do an unboxing. So I'm gonna finish my makeup on camera and then I'm gonna film a separate video. So this is gonna be like a get ready with me pretend like as if I was going to Sephora. This is how I would do my makeup, I guess. I'm loving the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I'm going to do a review on that. But just spoiler alert, I love it. However, I don't plan to have my makeup on for a long period of time because I'm not going anywhere. I tried to pick up at my other job and that blowed, like I wasn't able to do that. So I'm just going to apply just like a drugstore makeup. I like applied my moisturizer and stuff. Well, moisturizer. No primer. I'm not going to waste myself on primer because I'm not going to keep this makeup on forever. I'm bummed though that I'm not going to Sephora because like I'm still kind of new, so like I'm learning and I like learning from there. And now I'm taking my favorite Urban Decay, hands down the best concealer out there. I have it in the shade Dark Neutral, which is like the perfect highlighting shade. I'm just gonna take this sponge and blend out my concealer. So guys, how you like the quality of this video? I think it's really good for filming makeup tutorials because you can really see everything very well. And I know I didn't show you guys the eyeshadow for the look that I created because I was not gonna film. I just got called off, so I used the Too Faced Stardust palette, and it looks like this. Gorgeous. I love that palette so much, and I know it's discontinued, but hands down one of my favorite palettes. I hear so much negativity surrounded around Too Faced that like it kind of strayed me away from buying any of the palettes, but that was before I knew anything about the drama, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna try more, and then that drama happened and I'm like, fuck it. Like I don't care to involve myself with drama and support companies. Like, you're a company, you know you should not be involved with drama, you know what I'm saying? I know I use like things like Lime Crime, but that's the only thing I use from Lime Crime is their liquid lipsticks, and their liquid lipsticks are just everything. At least with like, you know, people aren't saying like their product is shit and they have drama. People are saying like Too Faced products are shit and they have drama. Like, it doesn't make sense. Just gonna be using some good old Stay Matte powder from Rimmel. I like it for brightening as well as setting and making that under eye not crease or go anywhere or do anything crazy. And as far as this camera, I don't have it with the mic. I need to connect the mic and make sure the mic works and whatnot, but so far I'm loving the camera. Bobbi Brown, I need to get another one of these because this is freaking bomb. This is the Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Bark from Bobbi Brown. I love this. I've been using the heck out of it ever since I got it. As like, this is just a sample size and it's like everything. And then I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I'm just using a sample of the MAC Zoom just to coat my lashes. and make it seem like I have lashes. Alright, and then I'm going to take that same Rimmel powder and just set the rest of my face. I wish I was going to work today. I need some money. I'm going to take this from ULTA. It's the contour kit, and I'm just going to bronze my face. Slash contour. We'll see what we get. Because I'm mixing two colors. I'm mixing the golden bronzer and the goddess bronzer. So apply some blush. The blush that I've been using, like I just pick it up all the time, is from the holiday collection from Tarte. Seems like they come out with this like every holiday. This is from last year. They have a new one. I won't be getting that because I haven't even hit pan or even close to hitting pan on any of these. So don't need any more blush ever. This is all the blush you'll need ever. So that's a really good one. I've been loving that. And I also been liking this Bobbi Brown highlighter. This is from last year as well. It looks like this. I have another one that I'm actually thinking of picking up. It's the holiday, like they come out with these holiday highlighters. And it's similar to this, but instead of having the strips, it's just one big like block of highlighter. And it's 3 blocks, so I want to get that for sure because I have a pro membership card with Bobbi Brown, and I feel like it's the perfect time to get it when you can get a good discount on it, you know? Look at that glow, guys. Look at that glow. I'm just gonna take this Magnificent Metals and sort of put this like in the inner corner of my eye. MAC 242 and just pat that out. Sort of blend it out so it goes from like shimmer, glitter to matte. And so since I now don't have to go to work, like I said, I'm gonna finish, I'm gonna film an unboxing, and then I'm going to do homework, I guess. That is my look. I think that's all I'm gonna do today. Normally I would put lashes on with this look, but again, not going nowhere, don't want to waste it. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so I'm testing out this new camera. This is the Canon Rebel T6i. I kind of want to do an unboxing, so I'm looking like shit. I have a bunch of stuff that I actually want to unbox. First, I'm going to start off with this ring light because it's right here in front of my face, bright. I need to get a stand for this, I think, because I have my camera on a tripod. Let's see if I can put it right here. I have my camera on a tripod, so I definitely wanted to see if I could use a tripod for this ring light here. So here's the ring light. And it's not working out, so I think I am going to have to get a stand, which I'm probably just going to try and pick up from like Best Buy or something so it's quick and I can use it right away. So this is just like a really small one. It's going to be like back here, I guess, like behind my camera. And oh my god, look at that light right there. Perfection. No light with the light. Hello. So yes, I'm excited. I gotta get a stand. Unless one of you guys know how to use a light. Like if you guys know how to use a light with a tripod, a ring light with a tripod, let me know. And it also has dimmable light, so I'm gonna face this way. So this is the, wait, this is off, this is low, and then, oh my god, it gets so freaking bright. Ah! It's crazy. Everything works, yay. I purchased pretty much everything from Amazon, even the light that I'm using right now. And it also comes with like a little bag, which looks like this. Really excited, and I'm using my new Canon T6i, as I said, so I'm kind of looking at myself a lot. I'm noticing in the side because it has like the flip out screen, so I need to start looking at the camera. It's the Canon T6i. I got this bag which I can put my camera in. It just has like the straps on the side. And then inside you get all the goodies. So I have a hand grip. I have some cords. I don't know what that's for. I have a memory card wallet. I have probably some instructions in here. And what's this? A lens band, as if I know what that is. And I had USB multi-card reader, so I took that out. So that's it right there. It already was out of the box. And then in here, what is this? This is the lens cleaner. Oh, cool. So I have a lens cleaner, and that's it. And then you get like little dividers in the inside of the bag. And so I'm just going to keep everything in here. A bunch of different pockets on the side. So a lot of storage, which I'm excited for. I'm glad I got that so I can put my camera in it and take my camera on the go with me. The 3-piece filter kit. And then I got so this is what it came in, and then it has straps, of course, and then it also has like a cord for charging, I guess. And then I also got the telephoto lens. This is the wide angle lens pretty much. So got the instructions, which I'm going to start reading pretty soon because I couldn't even get the lens on the camera when I was like putting it on to try and film. And then just like a disc. And then here is the Rode mic. So it looks like this. I'm really excited to try this out. Yeah, I can't wait. I don't have it on right now. I should probably like see the difference in the two, which I will do probably soon, just not right now. I have a lot of stuff to put away. Then I also got this clicker. So this is a universal click it sort of thing. So it works with Canon, Sony, and Nikon. So that's really good in case I ever upgrade. I'm pretty much gonna have this camera for a very long time though. So, but if I ever wanted to upgrade or get like a vlogging camera from like one of these companies, at least I know I can click it and it work, you know? And I think that's all the tech stuff I got. I also got this tripod, which is what my camera is on right now. So let me take this off. So this is my tripod that I got. This is a really nice one. It's an Amazon basic, so it's just like a basic tripod pretty much. I didn't pay too bad for it. So I have it here where I can, you know, move it up and down, and also if I like twist this part, that's this part. So if I lift this up, I can sort of, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but you know, I can like roll it up pretty much and then just do that to lock it so it doesn't go anywhere. There's supposed to be, okay, yeah, so it goes from side to side as well. It's just hard to do it with one hand, but yeah, that's my tripod that I'm really excited about. I'm also gonna unbox some stuff as well that I got. If you can see, I got a bunch of boxes there. Some ColourPop and Shop Hush that I need to film. I need to clean my freaking desk here. You guys can see that it's like dirty. Need to clean that up. And then I can tell like when I move it, like I have to like sort of focus it. So I can focus it on that brush there. I can focus right there on that mirror. And then if I sort of move it out of the film, it gets blurry, and then I have to focus again on something else.